How to automate invoices with n8n. So this actually depends on what application you want to use to automate this. So I have in here my trigger, and let's click onto this plus icon. And after that, you can click onto this search nodes. Now let's search right here for invoice, or you can also just search for a specific application. You can choose Invoice Ninja, or you can also choose Stripe or PayPal depending on your preference. On my case, let's choose Stripe. So from in there, you can see this option. You can either create customers, get source, and also choose right here from the specific triggers. So just choose right here how you want it made and also create right here depending on this. The other options that you can do is you can also head over and add in here PayPal. So you can click onto this right here, search right here for PayPal, and from in there you can create a payout. So you can choose that however you want. However, if you indeed choose to do the Invoice Ninja, you can head over and click on this. Just right here to create your bank transaction or create an invoice right there. Click onto this. After that, select the credential to work with. Choosing here the resource, the operation, you can add some fields and also change for settings. Once you're done, you should be able to find it directly onto your actual workflow. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.